Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Matic video update for 16th of July. Now Matic is retracing, right? And today there's a chance of making a candlestick known as an evening star. You've already made this decisive doji, all right? So that decisive doji means that the decision was coming either to move to the upside or the downside. My take is the downside. Ever since you've broken this line, you really never came down to retest that level. So there's a good chance you come down, retest this, and actually go up here back again to that 0.8 level. And when you go to 0.8 level, a huge dump can actually come and continue to take out Matic for good. Now the thing is, I told you about the RSI yesterday, so if I do bring the RSI right now once again, this is what the RSI was suggesting, that oh yeah, Matic went up, amazing, but there's a good chance you're actually looking to come down here and retest this level. Now let me tell you one thing, if on the RSI you start to lose this level and go to the 50 maybe, then there's a good chance that you're looking for the retracement of the daily RSI to be really it's overbought at the moment. It's almost overbought, even you can say, and it loses that level, we're going to go down. That really means that if I do try to make that translation, is that you do come down here and you must hold 0.59 level. If you lose the 0.59 and go way lower, then that's the end of it, and you're going to see Matic come down to 0.42 level. And that from here, guys, even if I told you yesterday that this has to retrace down, and so far right now we are in the mode of retracing. Okay, so the technical target out of this cup, okay, and handle is 0.8196. okay, it is what it is. And the only way to do that is to measure the top to the bottom of the candle, just like that, and wherever you're breaking it out, you just place it there, and then you're looking for that 0.81 level, okay, which hasn't been met. And that's the only positive thing about Matic right now. So there's a good chance to just come down, make an evening start. That means if you come down, make that red candle down here to 0.64 today, tomorrow you're looking to continue down, and who knows, this is the moment of truth here. If you hold that level, amazing, go back to 0.81. It would make sense to make a small entry with a stop loss, okay? Maybe a stop loss down here at this level, which is going to be 0.5194, but that's a long stop loss, and that's going to be a very long target, like 11%. So you can do some other calculation, maybe stop loss here, 0.57, something like that, and make a trade and get your profits out. If the stop loss gets taken away, then understand it's going to be worse, and you're going to get a little bit of loss, but you know, you're going to save big losses as well. And that's it for this Matic video update. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love it.